Hey, sir, what can I get you today?
Let me get a shake.
What kind of shake would you like, sir?
Shake your booty. Drive, drive, drive.
Green light. Oh, go, man, go. See how we go. Ba-da-ba-da. Red light.
Stop! I played these games before! If you move, you won't be shot! There's guns in the wall! Do not move! Hey. You know you're out, right?
Call me Daddy.
Homer,
Daddy.
Homer,
Daddy.
Dad,
Yes?
Domer.
Hey guys, you should put me in the edit, like.
Bro, you are not getting that edit. Like, you're so booty, you're so ass. Like, get the hell out of this game. No. Mommy, what the fuck happened to you, fucking bitch?
I'm playing Fortnite, guys. Wait, 200 pump someone. Come on. Full box.
Timmy,
Come on, Mom.
go to fucking sleep right fucking now. It's 1 in the fucking morning.
No,
I'm
Mom.
turning off the fucking Wi-Fi.
Fuck you.
Fuck you. You better be asleep. You better be asleep.
2 hours later.
Guys, I'm not going to sleep, guys. I can stay up until 5 a.m. That's good. Come on.
Timmy,
What?
it's 3 in the fucking morning. I told you to go 2 fucking hours ago.
No.
Go to fucking sleep or I'm turning off the Wi-Fi.
Fuck you.
All right?
Fine. Okay, fine. I'm going to sleep, guys. I'm not going to sleep at all. I'm gonna stay up until
I told you to go to fucking sleep.
Oh man, I love watching some TikToks. Heck yeah. Oh, what was that? Don't do it, please don't do it, Listen, we can talk about this, okay, we can talk about this. Why not? Why not? It's because it's gonna lag out the game, okay, it's gonna lag out the game, no one wants to do this, no one agreed to this, and it's gonna ruin the economy, and it's gonna make little kids not wanna grind. Don't do it. Oh no.
Let's go on an adventure.
Let me take her to the back, she wanna look at me. Headshot, 223, bear rock, movie scene. Baby, let's turn up in this party, what's a wedding ring? My same hitters in the club, we blowing up the scene.
Needed. Now get out! Bro, it's not your fucking cars! Get the fuck out! This kid's so lame.
Man, I'm tired of Jimmy just eating bananas. He'll like this one instead. Jimmy!
Why'd you touch my banana?
Jimmy! Ah!
What's going on, baby girl?
Talking snails.
Actually, I'm a slug. No shell over here, baby.
Man, it's so nice to go back to my beehive after a long day. Who are you?
I'm a bee.
Buzz? You're not a bee. You're an alligator.
Wait. I made honey, though.
Wait, that's not honey, bro.
Yeah, it is.
Stand ready for my arrival, man. You've been given orders. You've been given time.
Spicy! I love kindergarten, this is so fun. Shut up! Give me that crayon, now! Where's my dad yet? Oh, no, he's cooked. OG Season 1 Rocket Launcher. Hey, buddy. Come here. Let me show it up.
Say that? You want some burnt cookies for
Yeah, I want a cookie.
Joke, Jacob, it was just a joke. I'm not gonna give you any cookies, you diabetes.
Give me a cookie!
You have diabetes, I'm not giving it to you!
Let's see how it is. Buyers. Alright, this one should be. Ow! Alright, this should be good. If I hit this should break. Little do they know.
Lucky duck.
Dad, watch me behind the back shot.
Jacob, that was terrible. I won! I won! Woo! Woo! I won!
I guess I won because you're dead.
Hey, Jacob. Oh, I got flare gun, all that. Look at that. Woo!
And you go ahead.
Alright, Jacob, do it one more time. That's not gold.
Look in the mirror, sharp as a bullet. God damn, I love my bullet. Look in the mirror, sharp as a bullet.
His B stands for boom!
Alright, Jacob. You gotta get out of your bath. It's time. Jacob, it's time to get out the bath.
It's freezing out here, Dad.
I don't care. Should be over there, I don't know. I don't know.
Alright, I'll just go get it.
I think it's down there. Be careful, okay?
It's down here. Bye! I'll see you in heaven later, and good looks, and this toy, powdered toy. Get out of my job! Do you think I care?
Yeah? Why wouldn't you?
I don't give a shit! Okay.
2, 1, oh shit!
Hey, Dad, can I put my bubble on you?
Well, now I'm going to introduce you to my testicular cancer ball. Yeah, what do you have to say now? Oh, Bubble! Oh, goo goo gaga! Oh, shit!
Here we go, guys. Which one should I choose?
Hey,
oh, shoot.
You lost!
Can you make the sound of a shotgun?
Can
you make the sound of a revolver?
Pew. 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 Pew.
Can you make the sound of an RPG?
Come back! Come back!
Come
back! Can you make the sound of a rocket?
Come back!
DJ, turn on that beat, yo.
I have AUT, ISM. I have AUT, ISM, autism. Don't be scared of me.
Okay, so babies, stay right here, and I go over there. I'll be back in 1 minute. Let me see your toes. Can I see it? ¡De la puta madre! ¿Qué se están haciendo? ¡Eres pinche pendejo! What are you doing? You grounded!
Alright, turtles, before we go into battle, state your name.
My name is Dad Payo. Leopardo! My name is Raphael.
My name is Michelangelo, and we are the Returnos!
Where's the monster? There he is! He's right there! Get him! Get him! Oh my god! No! What the? ASMR with JJ! ASMR with JJ! ASMR with JJ! Oh, I just pooped myself. We got flashlights. Relax! The ocean is blowing you. Relax. Next! Pew pew shotgun! Cura 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 cura! Last one of the skibidi video. Let's go. El bomba explota de skibidi, no digas de los Shula, de los toilets, de Ohio, de los skibidi, no. No,
Yup, I'm gonna kill you. Yeah, I just killed him. That's what he gets.
Why you kill him? He's dead! Why you kill him? Why you kill him?
Bro, what do you mean? It's not that serious.
Why you do that? Why you do that?
Bro, it's just a game.
I'm screw this money.
Who's getting hit up next?
Don't even think about it.
Oh yes, you are getting hot. Oh shit! Oh shit! Ah! Miss dumbass.
Alright, join the code 1237.
How you spell that? How you spell that?
Oh, baby! Get this. Oh crap. Alright, Squirt. Open your mouth, Squirt. Alright, now close it. Open.
Insert cash or select payment type. Use PIN pad to complete transaction.
Thank you for shopping at Walmart.
Cooking with Jacob, cooking with Jacob, cooking with Jacob!
Alright, Jacob, what are you making me today?
I'm making some rocket pancakes. Alright, my turn, Dad. Raise your ya kaboom! P stands for boom! What up, danger? The kid's coming now! Let me get out of my door! Is something yeah!
Sir?
Beef?
Player 456.
What's this?
Have you had fun playing the hero?
No, kind of. No! Stop! I'm done with you! I'm stopping the games! Freaking my thing.
Sir, I'm gonna need that.
Jacob?
3, 2, 1. Aha! I knew it! It was so big and long.
Yeah. Gronk, spike!
Once upon a time.
No! Once upon a time! I'm gonna fill the turkey. What? Fill the bear.
Want me to tuck you in?
Freeze! I've played these games before, Dad!
No, don't move, please. No, you're moving. Oh.
I'm charging!
You missed again. Oh yeah, I did good, right?
Dad, what the hell is this?
You like the low taper fade I gave you, right?
Bro, this is not the low taper fade. This is deep sea fishing fade.
Alright, bro, yeah, it's over here. You know? I kinda clogged the toilet, though.
You clogged the toilet. Okay.
Yeah.
Ugh! What fucking shit! Oh!
Taco. I had a bit of taco, though, bro. Sorry.
Oh! Smell
Hey,
it!
bro, get the fuck away from
Oh! I'm going in.
Dude, don't.
Oh!
Alright, that's it. Time to die.
But he's the one who exploded us in the first place.
Oh, really?
My finger slipped.
Oh, really?
I don't know what to say.
Oh, really?
I just shot.
Oh, really?
How does him pooping his pants have anything to do with me?
Oh, really?
Well, you just.
Oh, really?
I'm gonna kill you.
No!
I'm gonna kill you.
No! No!
Yup, I'm gonna kill you. Yeah, I just killed him. That's what he gets.
What? Why you kill him? He's dead! Why you kill him? Why you kill him?
Bro, what do you mean? It's not that serious.
Why you do that? Why you do that?
Bro, it's just a game.
Yeah, what do you want?
This is my lake.
What do you mean this is your lake? This is a frozen lake.
No, I own this lake.
You own a frozen lake? Crocodiles can't swim in a frozen lake.
Not on my lake.
This is not your lake.
Hola, Bobby G. ¿Cómo te llamas? Welcome to the Thanos world. I like you.
Bro, Bubby, what are you doing?
Let me show you right now before you give it up.
Bubby! What? Bobby! Alright, Jimmy, you said you want to go back to Billy Bob?
I want to get my dynamite checked out by Billy Bob. It's because, you know, it's kind of too blocky.
Jimmy, I think it's just shaped that way, but whatever. Come on.
Alright.
Billy Bob! Check out his dynamite. It looks weird.
Let me see your dynamite. So what's wrong with it, though?
Yeah, exactly.
It's a bit too blocky.
Well, it's just shaped that way, Jimmy.
No, it's freaking dumb butt. Monkey touch shaped it this way. It's supposed to be circle, but he's not circling
What,
it
can you
correctly.
fix
See how
it?
it's like square? I'll try.
Jimmy? What was that?
Nothing.
Billy
No,
Bob.
I can't fix it, sadly. He
Well,
broke
Jimmy-
it too much. Okay, well, can you trade me? Oh, yeah, I'll trade you. Okay, let's...
Bro, today's Christmas, man.
No, it's not, bro.
Yes, it is.
Oh my God!
Yeah, come here, look. You got some presents. From Santa Claus. Grab your presents and let's go open them. Alright, come here. Let's open them.
Let's go with this one. Yay!
You gotta. Okay, Billy, which one do you want to open?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Gotta tell about talk. If we hurry, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I don't want that one.
You got an iPad, Billy. Don't eat this iPad, please. Okay, Billy. Let's open up your last present, okay? Let's see what you got, man.
It's shaking. It's shaking.
Yeah, there's something in there.
I sound like metal.
Alright, let's see.
Alright. A grenade! Go! I'm going to heaven.
Wait, I'm gonna play my story. Do one more time. Gorilla Tag is not a game we play every day. Gorilla Tag, boom.